Here are the 10 secrets to a happy life that no one told us. These 10 things are all based on extensive research. They're not hard to do, some of them appear very simple, but doing them regularly has a big impact. Number 9 is my favorite, while number 10 is the most important one. So let's begin. Number 1, spend money on experiences. Spending money on experiences makes us happier. Spending money on things, but for others, that is giving gifts, has the same effect. Look back at your monthly expenses and see how much you spend on things versus experiences. Number 2, use your signature strength. You might be good at giving advice, or you might be great at making paintings or organizing. Practicing our signature strengths makes us happier. Like I enjoy making videos. Number 3, meditation. Sit in a quiet place for 5 minutes each day. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, going in and out. If your mind drifts away, just slowly bring your focus back to your breath. You will feel calmer. For meditation, you can try this free app called Headspace. I'll put a link in the description. Number 4, find something to look forward to. One study found that people who just thought about watching their favorite movie actually raised their endorphin levels by 27%. Even if you can't do something right now, put it in your calendar. Whenever you see that event in your calendar, you will feel much better. Number 5, commit conscious acts of kindness. Studies have shown that giving to others decreases stress and enhances mental health. It doesn't have to be a grand act. Just paying for someone's coffee, calling or email someone to say thank you, or giving them a positive feedback, doing a chore for someone else, everything counts. Number 6, spend some time in nature. Spending 20 minutes in a park near you or just outside your office or home office will do wonders. Try to take a short break during work. Number 7, exercise. Exercise releases pleasure-inducing chemicals called endorphins. Physical activities reduce stress, anxiety, and help us to be more focused. Number 8, keep a gratefulness journal. Write down 3 good things that happened today. Every day, your brain gets in the habit of scanning for good things, which makes us more optimistic and happier. Try to do this activity at the same time to make it a habit. For example, before going to bed. I've actually developed a journal which I use with my kids every day. I'll put a link in the description in case you're interested. Number 9, and I really like this one, the happiness list. Set aside some time this weekend, take a pen and a piece of paper or use your note-taking app and write down all the things that make you happy. This will be your happy activities list. Open this list a few times a week and try to plan activities from this list. And it can be things like playing sports, spending time with your family, watching a funny movie, going for a nature walk, reading a book, organizing your workplace, anything that makes you happy. Don't think, just keep writing the activities and you can filter them out later. Number 10, and this is the most important one, social connections. In a study titled Very Happy People, researchers sought out the characteristics of the happiest 10% among us. Only one characteristic distinguished the happiest 10% from everybody else: the strength of their social relationships. When we make a positive social connection, the pleasure-inducing hormone oxytocin is released into our bloodstream, immediately reducing anxiety and improving concentration and focus. In fact, one study found that people who receive emotional support during the 6 months after a heart attack were 3 times more likely to survive. Another study found that participating in a breast cancer support group actually doubled women's life expectancy post-surgery. In fact, researchers have found that social support has much effect on life expectancy as smoking, high blood pressure, obesity, and regular physical activity. So the most important factor is your relationships. Your relationships with your spouse, family, friends, and colleagues. So let me know if you want to add anything to this list. Subscribe to the channel or let's connect on socials for more videos. Thank you.